Adult level 3, this is 9 and 10, review and check. Complete the grammar and vocabulary sections, pause and complete, then we can check together. Okay. So, number 1, grammar. If I saw a snake, I'd be terrified. This situation is hypothetical. It's not real, so it's second conditional. Second conditional is if and the past, would and the base. So number 2, what would you do if a large dog attacked you? You would, positive, would you, question. Would you do, because base. Again, hypothetical situation, second conditional. 3, I wouldn't buy that bike if I were you. Would, but negative, wouldn't buy that bike if I were you. Number 4, I have lived in this house since I was 12. 12 was in the past. I live there now. We connect the past to the present with the present perfect. The present perfect is subject plus have plus the verb in the past participle. Live is a regular verb, so lived. Number 5, we haven't seen my uncle for a long time. A long time is a period of time. The preposition is for. 6, how long have you had this car? How long is the question words, are the question words for length of time. Number 7, I was married for 15 years. I got divorced in 2010. The period of time is not connected to the present. It's all in the past. So simple past, the verb to be in the simple past is was. Number 8, when did John F. Kennedy die? That's one event in the past. The question is about one event in the past. It's past simple, did. Number 9, the dishwasher was invented in 1886. By who? We don't know. We don't have a subject, only the object. The dishwasher didn't invent anything. Someone invented the dishwasher. So this is passive. Passive is verb to be in the correct tense, past, present. Here it's past, so he was, and invented is the past participle. Number 10, the first book in the series was written 10 years ago. Again, passive. Passive is with the past participle. Doesn't matter if the sentence is present, past, future. If it's passive, past participle. Number 11, let's continue. The Mona Lisa was painted by Da Vinci. To connect our passive to a person, by. Number 12, when I was a child, I used to have very long hair, and this is positive, so used to, U-S-E-D, used to have long hair. 13, Jack didn't used to like sports when he was in school. This is used to negative, right? Sorry. This is used to negative, so it's no D, didn't used to. 14, I might buy Kiko a ring for her birthday. Might and base form talks about a future that is uncertain. Might buy, might go, might be. 15, Sue might not come tonight. This is might, but the negative, might not. Okay, vocabulary. Now we make nouns from the verbs. Number 1 is election. Number 2 is decision. Number 3 is choice. Number 4 is organization. Number 5 is death. Number 6, 2 possible answers, success or the process of the next success is succession. And imagination. These are the nouns: election, decision, choice, organization, death, success or succession, and imagination. Let's continue with what is different. Number one, butterfly, goat, fly, and mosquito. Goat is different. It's not an insect. Pig, sheep, cow, and lion. Lion is different. It's not a farm animal. Spider, shark, jellyfish, and whale. Spider is different. It does not live in the water. Scared, afraid, frightened, and fear. Fear is different. It's not an adjective. Fear is a noun. For example, it's possible to say, I'm scared, I'm afraid, I'm frightened, and they have the same meaning. Can I say I'm fear? No. I'm scared, I'm afraid, I'm frightened. Adjectives, descriptions. You have a fear in English. Have a fear. 5, math, grades, history, biology, grades is different. It's not a school subject. Part C, be careful here because you have to complete the verb with the list from the list in the right form. So you have to change the word a little sometimes. For example, number 1, in the US, most people retire when they are 65. Retire is to finish work because you are a little older. Number 2, I fell in love for the first time when I was 15. Fall is an irregular verb. Fall, fell, fallen. Past participle, but we need fell because this is past simple, one time, specific time in the past, when I was 15. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. What form of the verb is this? Past participle. Why? Because it's passive. Past passive. Penicillin was discovered. Penicillin didn't discover anything. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Number 4, the Lord of the Rings movies were based on the books written by Tolkien. What form of the verb is this? Yes, also past participle because it's passive. 5, the first Apple computer was designed by Steve Wozniak. What form of the verb is this? That's right, past participle because it's passive. Let's continue. And for part D1, there are 3 possible answers, maybe more. I can think of 3. Koala is good. A kangaroo is good. Also, this is a kookaburra. Kookaburras are also a bird in Australia. So 3 possible answers there. Maybe more. Number 2, a bee is an insect that makes honey. Number 3, a crocodile is a reptile. No, that's not. Because I'm not writing the word that's is a reptile that lives in the rivers in Africa and Australia. A bull is a male cow. And those are the animals. Terrified is to be very afraid. Separate, what couples usually do before they get divorced. Science is a school subject that includes physics, chemistry, and biology. And your report card is information you get from your school at the end of each quarter. that says how you have done, or your report card from Language Connection, which you also get. Pronunciation. Circle the word with a different sound. Listen and circle. Fear, near, weir, bear. Bear is different. 2. Phobia, cow, show, homework. Phobia, cow, show, homework. Cow is different. Website, children, spider, might. Children is different. Scared, there, nervous, where. Nervous is different. Subject, usually, used, confusion. Subject is different. And here you check the stressed syllable. Giraffe, elephant, behavior, retire, design. Giraffe, elephant, behavior, retire, design. Giraffe, elephant, behavior, retire, design. Okay, that's everything for today. Thank you.